We've improved our thread milling now by giving you complete control of your lead in and lead out. You can now lead in and lead out whether using arc, normal, and tangent for your external threads. For internal threads, you can use now arc and normal. Let's take a look for a moment at the operation itself. And in this particular case, I'll be doing a thread on this stud over here, so I'll be doing external. If I go to my technology, you'll note that I am working external. In my link, I now have three options: arc, normal, and tangent. In this particular case, I'm going to use lead in tangent, and we'll be able to see it going in on tangent. I put a value also on 20 millimeters so we can see this very clearly. Now, I've left my lead out at arc. And if I were to run my simulation, you'll note that my thread mill is going in with a tangent. You can see the tangent move over here. And then as it finishes, you'll see that it actually leads out with an arc. Going back to the program itself, if I were to change my technology to internal, you'll note what is available to me in the links are either arc or normal.